Good day, sir.
I am Elmer A. Gumaho.
And I am General Go.
And I am Angel James E. Itong from BSMT is to you. Hey man, do you have a cigarette? Can I have some? I really want to smoke. I'm so stressed about these exams.
Cigarette. That's bad for your health, bro.
Hell no man, AJ. Don't have any. You know smoking will help with the stress. Right? Especially everything we learn about safety area.
Yeah, I know, but it chills me out. Don't worry about it. It's just today.
Look, I'm worried about you. You've been relying on this stuff more and more. Remember what happened to our captain?
I remember that Phil was his lesson because of alcohol.
That was him, not me. I can handle it. Besides, what else am I supposed to do? It is the only way I can cope with the pressure.
There are other ways, AJ. Have you thought about talking to someone?
How about the school counselor maybe? They can help you find better ways to manage stress.
Okay, that's not going to solve anything.
It's a start. And think about our future, EJ. We're going to be responsible for the safety of the entire crew. Valuable cargo we can afford to be impaired.
Easy for you to say. You're always on top of everything.
It's not about being perfect. It's about making the right choices. Remember, during our safety drills, every decision counts. There is no day for them.
Fine. What do you suggest then, Mr. Perfect?
Let's start with this. No smoking today. Instead, let's go to the gym.
Realize that stress in a healthy way, and then let's talk to the counselor tomorrow.
Together?
I go with you. We're in this together, right? We need to support each other and to stay in focus.
Fine, let's do it. But you're buying the protein shake after the gym.
Deal. Let's go right now.
Let's go.
This scene captured that being a maritime student isn't just about mastering navigation and engineering.
It's about making responsible choices that ensure our safety and the safety of others. That's why if you or someone you know is struggling with substance abuse, don't hesitate to reach out.
There's always help available. Let's keep our safe, one of choice at a time.
Hey, look at Maki. He doesn't look so good. His sweating buckets looks like he's about to faint.
You're right. This looks like heat exhaustion. Maki, are you feeling okay?
I don't know, I feel like going to pain.
Alright, Maki. We're going to get you a cool down.
What do we do?
First, we need to get him out of the sun. Let's move him to a shaded area. Now, let's get him lying down.
Elevate his legs a bit. This will help get blood flowing back to his brain.
Him down. Loosen any tight clothing. Get him some water to see if he's conscious and able to drink.
Now for the cooling part, we can use wet towels or cloth to cool his skin. Focus on areas like neck, armpits, and groin. If we don't have a towel, we improvise. The rags that we use for cleaning, as long as they are clean, they can work in an emergency or even a wet shirt.
So shade, elevate, cool, and hydrate. Got it? Hey man, are you feeling okay now?
Yes, man. I feel better now.
It's good to hear, man.